Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Object detection is a computer vision task that involves identifying and locating objects in an image or video. In this tutorial, we'll use the popular YOLO, you only look once, algorithm along with the OpenCV library to perform object detection in Python. YOLO is known for its speed and accuracy, making it a popular choice for real-time object detection applications. Before we start, make sure you have the following installed. You can install the required libraries using the following command. We need the pre-trained YOLO v3 weights and configuration file to perform object detection. You can download them from the official YOLO website or use the following commands to download them. Now, let's write a Python script to perform object detection using YOLO and OpenCV.